going to show you a video on the WX3in1 Plus 2, but HRO in their great wisdom sent me the WX3in1 Mini, which is not the one I wanted. This one's in a plastic case, very cheap, like the PLX Digi that I had. I wanted the one with the big aluminum fin case and heatsink and iGate. I think this one does iGate, but this one's just cheaply made. So this one has to go back, called HRO. They apologize. They're going to see if they can overnight it, which means, again, I don't get it to the middle of next week. After waiting 5 days for this thing to be delivered. Well, it's 6 days to count from the day I ordered it, so I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. I am losing faith in ham radio outlet. And the only ones that have these ones in stock is Portland, Oregon. So apparently whoever in Portland, Oregon picked the order doesn't know how to read. Okay. It's the next week, Tuesday, and it's finally arrived. Other one's in transit back to him. So we got the Microsat WX3in1 Plus 2.0. Here's the cable for the ICOM 2100, 2300 I ordered 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago, came in last week. And they give you a cab 24B cable with the interface. So there's a WX3in1 2.0 mini to radio mini cable. So it looks like the wires are there and you just strip it back and attach it to whatever connector you need. Okay, that's simple enough. That's cool. At least they give you something like that, you know. I'll save this as backup. Comes in a little box. That's how it comes from Poland. Let me get a knife, cut that tape, and let's see what we got. The photos on the website show it's got a bunch of heat sinks. I don't feel heat sinks. Well, I feel something ridgy in there, so let's see what we got here. I think the last one was wrapped a couple times this way, and okay, there we go. Let me get that bubble wrap out of the way, and we'll be right back. Start at the back of the device. I am a little bit disappointed. I don't see a power cable with a cable or in the box. You got your thermometer, weather station, serial port, radio port on the back. But where am I supposed to get that plug? Radio Shack's not in existence anymore. This is crazy. Okay, there's the Ethernet port. USB setup, they don't give you a USB cable either. I think my HP printer uses that plug, so I guess I'll disconnect it from my printer or film scanner and use that to set it up. But yeah, I guess I'm going to have to find out what plug that is and power it up before I can do anything. Does that make any sense, folks? But it is a nice aluminum case, heat sinked. I doubt there's any components that go to the heat sink or aluminum case, but looks like I got a little scratch on mine. Yeah, there's a little scratch. Son of a beach. Scratch, and I didn't even get to scratch it up. Oh, where am I going to get a power cable like that? Son of a gun. Or the plug to even hook up to the power. I got my WX3in1 2.0 in the mail today. Not included is the power cable. The little jack. Anybody know what size plug jack that is? Or what is common to that same plug that I can use? I can't tell with my camera. They don't tell you any indication plus tip positive or what. This is insane.